Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we're learning how to assign double tap to play and pause media files on your Oneplus Buds 3R. You can simply assign that by using Hey Melody application. Open your Play Store, then download Hey Melody application. You can see here this is the application. Simply just search for Hey Melody, then you will receive this application and install it. Then give some permissions like locations and Bluetooth permissions. Then connect to the device. After connecting, you can see here you will get this page. Then go to earbuds control. Then you can simply choose that left side or right side earbuds. You can simply select from here. Then go to double tap left earbud. I'm going to assign that double tap, so I'm going to select left side, then second double tap option. Then you can simply assign that 6 functions like none, play, pause, previous track, next track, voice assistant, game mode. That's it. So I'm going to select play and pause. So in this way you can simply assign that. Simply double press or double tap the earbuds to play and pause media files. It will be applicable for YouTube, Spotify, any other applications, and any media files playing on your mobile device. So that's guys, very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.